Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Facebook account, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Facebook account on your phone, first open up your Facebook app. And after opening your Facebook app, guys, this kind of interface will be over here, whereas at the top right corner of your screen you can see there is the three lined icons available on your small profile picture icon. Let's tap on there just below the messenger icon. And over here, guys, scroll down a little bit until you can find the settings and privacy just below the help and support. Tap on settings and privacy, and over here, guys, again tap on settings on the top of the screen. And on this page, guys, you can see there is the Meta Account Center option available at the top, which also says the manage your connected experiences and account settings across Meta technologies. Tap over there and you'll be landed over here. Again, scroll down under the account settings. You can see there is the option personal details just below the password and security. Tap on personal details, and over here, guys, at the bottom of the list you can see there is the account ownership and control. Tap on there, and over here again you can see the second option where it says the deactivation or deletion. Tap on there. And over here, guys, all of the accounts linked to your Meta account will be shown. Which one do you want to delete? But we'll be proceeding to the Facebook, so let's tap on Facebook. And over here there are two options. One is deactivate and another is delete account. Tap on delete account and tap on continue, and tap on continue after reading this information. And over here, guys, you'll be required to give an option to Facebook. Why do you want to deactivate your or delete your Facebook account? Let's go with I spent too much time on Facebook, and tap on continue. And over here, guys, you can manage your notifications, your time spent on Facebook. Tap on continue. And over here, guys, again scroll down, scroll down where you will be required to read all of these informations before you delete, because you need, if you want to save your posts in archive, download your Facebook option. These options will be very useful for you if you will be back on the Facebook on future days. And with that being said, guys, I will be scrolling down and again tap on continue. And over here, guys, you'll be required to enter your password. Let's enter your password. And after entering your password, guys, tap on continue button over here, and then your account will be deactivated. You will be able to recover your account for 30 days, but after that it will be gone from the Facebook's archive, and that account will be no longer available. And with that being said, guys, this is how you delete your Facebook account on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.